Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a 1:64 scale Hot Wheels 1967 Chevy Chevelle SS 396. Classic American muscle. Staggered tires, gorgeous body lines. Gotta love a Chevy. This one's a beauty. I invited Dan from Dan's Chopshop to a Buddy Build a long while ago, and this is the car and the date we came up with together. So pour yourself a fresh cup of coffee and settle in for 10 minutes or so to see what I do with mine. I'm inviting you to follow the link that I left in the description and pay a visit to Dan's Chop Shop. You will discover that he participates in everybody's invitationals and is an all-round great guy. I also want you to make note of some of my upcoming builds, including the end of the month 4 Horseman Beetle and the very special Canada Day Custom Die-Cast Invitational open to everybody for July 1st. Mark your calendar so you don't miss any of these upcoming specials. The Chevelle is a mid-size car that was produced by Chevrolet in 3 generations for the 1964 through 1978 model years. It is one of the company's most successful nameplates. Body styles included coupes, sedans, convertibles, and even station wagons. The SS Super Sport versions were produced through the 73 model year and Lagunas from 73 through 76. And the paint slides off like zombie skin today. It's speculated that the name Chevelle was influenced by combining Chevy and Gazelle as a smaller sedan to the Impala, another swift four-hoofed Savannah beauty. The SS represented Chevy's entry into the muscle car battle. What you'll see inside, claimed the sales brochure for 1967, will probably bring on a severe compulsion to go driving. The 375 horsepower 396 cubic inch V8 was added late in the model year. The design I've chosen to go with is from a real-life car that has an interesting bit of backstory to it. Most race cars are famous for what they did on the track, not this Smokey Yunick built 1967 Chevy Chevelle. It was banned by NASCAR before it had a chance to compete. These many years later, the lines between fact and fiction are extremely blurred, but enormously entertaining. As is true with every good story worth retelling. A survivor of over 50 bombing missions in World War II, Smokey chose Daytona Beach, Florida to settle in after the war. It was here that he opened his garage, the best damn garage in town, and immediately became a part of the racing scene. He did have notable success in NASCAR, winning championships in 51 and 53, racing Hudson Hornets on the beach, but he was better known for his wizardry as a mechanic, engine builder, and car designer. Smokey never considered himself a cheat, but he was always looking for a way to artfully dodge the rules, shall we say. He made micro-measurement changes in the frame and molded the bumpers closer to the body and angled the windshield for more aerodynamic efficiency. He even installed a basketball in the fuel cell, inflating it when the inspectors wanted to check the tank's capacity, and then deflating it for a race so the car could hold more gas. If they didn't say you couldn't, I thought it was fair game, is how Smokey approached racing. Long afterwards, in his book called The Best Damn Garage in Town, Smokey looked back and said this car had power, aerodynamics, and chassis. Too bad we never got to run it. I think it would have been interesting. Was this car a cheater? You're damn right it was, he said, but not by NASCAR's published rulebook in 1968. So I picked this one as an interesting car. I'm sure Dan's got something clever up his sleeve too, over at the Chop Shop. Well, you can see I applied the simple set of homemade decals, just the number 13, over top of some ghost white decals to offset the black bodywork. And now for the minutia. This is part of the original car The best damn garage in town. In the very front, once again, colored decals over top of the white base, so they stand out better. I did some very simple detailing with a Sharpie pen on the taillights and the headlights in the front. A little bit of flat white applied with a fingernail painting tool. Looks like that. Away with the standard Hot Wheels steering wheel and in with one of my own 3D printed wheels. I drilled a little hole and glued that in, gave that a black paint touch-up, and now the entire interior detailing consists of a red stick shift knob. That should stand out because you can see in the windows. Totally forgot to show you a beautiful wheel upgrade with a new set of Sandmat wheels, but you'll see them later in the reveal. And all I've done to the base is add my channel logo. This was a very simple reassembly, 1, 2, 3 pieces, and the chassis. Click in the front and a click in the back, and it is looking like the perfect fit. Magnifico. Screws go back in beautifully. The little Chevelle gave me no problems at all. And number 154 is in the can. Let's have a closer look. There's the Sandmat wheels, 12s in the back, 10 in the front. They're the perfect match. They're black, gold, and red, exactly the color scheme of Smokey Yunick's Chevelle. So I thought they were a perfect fit, and they're real rubber, so I'm very stoked about those. It's clean and simple today, but I think it makes a bold statement. And I have to say, I'm totally happy with the way it turned out. I did like this in the beginning. Right out of the box, it was pristine without a mark on it, but the Buddy Build project was to customize it, and this is the way that I decided to go. I hope you'll enjoy it too, and leave your respectful comments below to tell me what you think of this SS customization, or if you've got another Smokey Yunick story, type in a little anecdote down there so we can all enjoy that. Shows off well in these glamour shots, doesn't it? It's super kid friendly, so off to the local Goodwill shop as a gift for a little boy or girl. Thank you for watching my channel today. Be sure to check out Dan's Chop Shop by following the link in the description. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.